Hello, beautiful people. If you just tune in, now you are tuning into the Woman Who Speaks Celeste channel, where I upload 2 videos per week, where you can find something for yourself. And today's video is about me washing my beauty blenders. And as you guys can see, they are disgusting. And I have a request from one of my subscribers asking me to make a video showing you guys how I take care of my beauty blender after using them, and today that's what we're gonna do. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. And as I mentioned, I upload twice a week. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back and thank you for your support. And now I will fill up my jar with some lukewarm water, and I will add some Dawn. I use the blue one, but you can use any other Dawn. But for me, I see a huge difference because I use Dawn almost in everything, not only for dishes. I use it on my tires when I have to wash my car, and I see a big difference when I use them. And right now I just add some water in the soap, and the water is not hot, it's not cold, it's lukewarm water, guys. I don't know, I never tried with hot water, but I always use warm water. So I will let the beauty blender soaks the soapy water first, and then I will start washing them off. And the video is self-explanatory. There's nothing much I can say about it. What I will do after filling up the jar, I will start massaging it in between my fingers. And you don't have to go vigorously, because you don't want to damage the beauty blenders, right? Because you're gonna end up buying more. And there's a little thing, I don't know how you call it, guys. If you have a name for it, you can leave it down below and let me know how it calls. And I got it from Dollar Tree for $1 a long time ago, because back in the day I used to wash my beauty blenders with a soap that I get from Sephora, but I don't really like the way it makes the beauty blender feels, and it's not taking care of the beauty blender the way it's supposed to. And I'm showing you guys the little dot, the brown spot, and just swirling around the little purple thing will make it huge difference. And I don't know, like I said, how that little thing called. It's just like a grater. If you know how to grate coconut and stuff, that's the same. You just do the same way you would do when you grating your coconut. And you can see the difference from before I show you the little spot and now. And the good thing about this, he has a ring holder that you can that makes it easier for you to hold in between your fingers. So yes, guys, I don't think I have too much to say. And as I was saying, I used to buy the soap from Sephora, but I like using the Dawn better, because I think I have a better outcome when I use that soap. But you can use whatever you have, but that's what I used to wash mine. That's why I'm telling you. But I never tried anything besides the soap in this the soap from Sephora and this one. So that's why I'm telling you this right now, guys. And after to rinsing off, I just let the water run all over it until I don't see any subside. So that is it. And you can experiment, because you might find something that is better than the Dawn. You can leave me a comment and let me know what you use, how you do it, how often you use it, and you do it, all this good stuff. But for me, I wash my beauty blenders almost every week, because I have a lot of beauty blenders. If you have one or two, you can wash it every other day, because you don't want to put any germs in your face. Just let it by leaving the foundation in the beauty blender for too long, it can give you breakouts and stuff like this. So I wash mine every single week, because I have almost 10 beauty blenders. I wash every single one of them every week. Yes, I know it's a lot. It might not be a lot for some people, but to me it's a lot, because it takes some time for me to wash them. So guys, I will let you enjoy the video, because it's all I'm gonna do throughout the video. And I have that rag that I just let them sit on top for them to dry out. If you don't have, you can lay a towel and you just lay them right there. And as you can see, nasty the water is. So guys, take your time and enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next. Okay, so far guys, so far that's the way they look. And as you can see, let me show you a close up. This is the way, and you could have seen the difference. And that's all I do. I don't use any. I used to buy the brush cleaner from Sephora, but I don't see a much difference, and I like the way it turns out better when I use the Dawn, which is this one right here. I like it better than the cleaner that I get from Sephora. So it's up to you. If you want to use the cleaner, you can go ahead and do so, but that's what I use. I use the Dawn dishwashing soap, and it does the work, and I guess it does the work better. And after I rinse everything out, I just let them lay on top of these things to dry off. Or if you don't have something like this, you can get a towel and you lay it flat and it will dry off the same way. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. Love you. Bye.